Pathways to global climate action. Our world stands at a crucial crossroads. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet. Nations are uniting to limit global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, a target vital to prevent the most severe consequences of climate change. Leading the way is a renewable energy revolution. Wind, solar, and hydropower, clean, limitless energy sources, are replacing fossil fuels. To power the world with renewables, we need massive investments in infrastructure, energy storage, and grid modernization. This shift holds the key to a sustainable future. Next, we electrify how we move. Transportation is a major contributor to global emissions, but the rise of electric vehicles and public transport is shifting that. With cleaner fuel alternatives like hydrogen and more electric vehicles, we can significantly reduce transportation emissions. But this requires governments to build the necessary charging infrastructure and pass supportive policies. A circular economy is about more than recycling. It's a reimagining of how we use resources, designing products to last longer, reuse materials, and reduce waste. By minimizing our environmental footprint, we help cut emissions and save resources for future generations. In hard-to-decarbonize industries like cement and steel, carbon capture and storage technology offers hope. By capturing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere or emissions, we can store it underground or even reuse it. While still expensive, innovation in this area could make a substantial difference. Nature holds one of the most powerful solutions to climate change. Nature-based solutions, like restoring forests, wetlands, and mangroves, act as natural carbon sinks. These ecosystems absorb CO2 and restore balance to our carbon cycle. Protecting biodiversity and practicing sustainable land management will help heal the planet. The goal: net zero emissions by mid-century. Many countries have pledged to achieve net zero by 2050. Meaning the amount of greenhouse gases we emit will equal the amount removed from the atmosphere. But reaching this target will require overcoming significant challenges, from transforming our energy systems to decarbonizing heavy industries. Innovation is the engine driving climate action. Technological breakthroughs in renewable energy, carbon capture, and electric vehicles are changing the game. New energy sources like green hydrogen and biofuels could revolutionize our energy future, paving the way to a low-carbon economy. But innovation alone isn't enough. Governments must implement effective policy. International agreements like the Paris Agreement are critical, setting emission targets and driving global cooperation. National policies on carbon pricing, renewable energy subsidies, and single-use plastic bans will make all the difference. And then, there's society. Every individual plays a role. Small changes, like reducing energy consumption, using public transport, and supporting sustainable brands, contribute to a global impact. Local communities can organize initiatives to promote recycling, clean energy use, and sustainable practices. Social movements keep pressure on governments to uphold their climate promises. Climate action is a personal and collective responsibility. We can all do our part, whether it's reducing our energy use at home, joining climate groups, or advocating for policies that support a greener future. The future depends on us. Together, through innovation, policy, and social change, we can forge a sustainable path and safeguard our planet for generations to come. The time to act is now.